in your life. Maybe school memories always makes you happy. Respected principals, sir, teachers, faculty members, and my dear students. First of all, I want to pardon sir. My name is Saurabh Asija. Might be in my home also. My elder brother name is Sahil Asija. So from his name, I am being known for in my school itself. We were three brothers have taken admission from first class itself because at my LKG the school was not established. I entered in the journey of this wonderful school, and to be very honest, the decision that I have taken to be part of this school was a very right because education is similar in every school. Might be you can learn all the concepts in government schools also. But the beautiful thing that I have seen in our school is the values that they have imbibed. At present, I can say I am not that much successful. Currently, I am working as a software engineer in one of the world's largest company named Tata Consultancy Service at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. I am working from TCS. I have realized like there are some values that has been put it in my mind so that I can do better in my life. And the core values will always be imbibed not by parents, I would rather say by school. I am very thankful and I want to express gratitude to my faculty members. I have seen like the faculties, those faculties who have taught me the concepts, not only the fundamentals of knowledge we can say, but the values also. I can say Vikas sir, Pankaj Mishra sir, Rajkumar sir, Ashwin sir, they were the teachers when I was in 5th class. So you can see a huge experience they have. They have, you can't imagine, they have that much experience, might be you are not of that age. And the beautiful thing that I would like to highlight about this school is the fundamental values. I have visited few colleges, few IITs, NITs in my journey, and I have also been fortunate to be deliver some speeches in Punjab also. But I haven't seen any war memorial in any school. This is the beautiful thing that I would like to admire the administration and the principals for having such a moment at our school itself. And recently I came to know we are training the peoples of 7th class itself for the NCC wing. So it is a huge, I can say, achievement for our school because without army we can't live, right? Without farmer we can't sustain. The same perspective we have in our school, and I'm very thankful. Like I'm very feeling honored to be a part of this school, and special thanks to principal sir for giving me an opportunity to come here and share my journey. But before leaving, I would like to ask one question from all of you. So, are you ready? Yes. Thank you for your response. You have shown your SKPPNs. Okay, one question. Why you want to study? Anyone want to reply? Why you are studying?
To become successful in life.
Great. What's your name?
Priti.
Thank you. Why you want to be successful?
So that I can make proud my teachers, my parents.
And what will happen if you will proud your parents in future? It's a good thing. First of all, clap for her. It really is a great What would happen if you will make a proud your family members in the school?
All the society people will recognize me as I am the daughter of my father. I am the student of this SKPK school.
Yeah, good. Thank you. The best part that I have seen from her reply is he wants to make her family and society proud. That is the whole purpose. We have to spread the happiness and the empathy towards the humankind. This is the sole principle that I can say we have been teaching in our school. The purpose, the values, and the we can say the fundamental values that will help the society to become an identity. How many of you we know like a person sitting in the first row might be not aware, not be known in our school? What is your name, gentlemen?
Hardik.
Sorry?
Hardik.
Hardik. How many of you know Hardik? Raise your hand. Might be your class fellow, right? Apart from class fellow, how many of you know Hardik? Great, I can see one more friend. Thank you. But I would rather say we are a part of a family. We should know how many members, how many family members we have in SKPPS. start talking to other people also, because at that time I have seen from my childhood I have seen one thing, that I was like introvert. I haven't shared my feeling with the seniors on what I want to be, what I want, why I have choose the physics, chemistry, math things, why I want to do engineering. That why part was missing in my scene. And I have researched, I have introspected why these things were not up to mark in my case. The only thing was public speaking. It was, you will be shocked. In my entire 12th class, I haven't given any speeches, any thoughts, nothing. There was a teacher named Anil Prasad sir. One day he was a housemaster and he forced me to go on the stage and you have to speak on amazing facts. I was in 7th class or might be in 8th class. And at that time I went to a home and I was shocked, like, what is amazing facts? See, I was not aware of that thing also at 7th class. And I was planning how to, you can say how to plan, like I will not go to school. I told my father I am having a cold, so I will not go to school. After a few days, I realized, means it is not a solution. I went to Anil Prasad sir and I told sir I don't want to deliver anything on stage. He told me why. Then I told like I have no confidence. I don't want to speak influently with the audience. At that time, I was speaking to him. Anyways, he was the housemaster. He convinced me, and I came here. And at that moment, I was in 8th or 9th class. I told like, God is one. This was the thought of the day at that time. If someone remembers, might be the old faculty members that are standing at back, might be know. I speak only one thought, that was God is one. And all the cheerful friends of mine was clapping like this way, hooting and was there. Sometimes it takes time, no matter, like if you are sitting, you have a mindset. If you are thinking, you have to deliver something impromptu, you have to speak. You have to imbibe that thing in yourself. No one will going to ask you, will force you. You have to embrace yourself to be a part of this school, and you have to be communicate with every senior members. Might be a person who is in 5th class can communicate with 6th class because he is 1 year older than the 5th class person. He has seen 1 year more than the person who is there in 5th class. Might be a person who is a day older than you now have seen 24 hours more. He might be have got any experience in those golden 24 hours that you haven't means visited or you haven't experienced. So be humble, talk to each other, and have a dream in your goal, and definitely you will be a success. And I would rather, I think, last moment I want to say, the person who have passed out from this prestigious school, so that we can get an idea, like why we need to do engineering, why we need to do doctoring, why we need to do this kinds of lawyer. There are diversification of fields in a society, but we are only limited to engineering, doctor, lawyer. Okay, is there anyone who wants to be a fashion designer? Please raise your hand. No issues. You can raise your hand. It's a fantastic, we can say, a career. Anyone wants to be a air hostess, a captain, a military person? Raise your hand. Cool. Only limited. A bunch of people are there. And who wants to be engineer? Anyone? Okay, then what rest people wants to be? Anyone? You can say, what was the majority that you will say? Engineer, doctor, lawyer, what you want to be in your life?
Doctor.
Doctor. Any other profession?
Judge.
Judge. Any other?
Journalist.
Civil services, great. Any other?
Journalist.
Journalist, perfect. I can say if you have a vision, you want to be journalist, connect with your faculty members, connect with your seniors, connect with the passed out students. You have an ample opportunity. We are there to help you. In whatever condition you are, just talk to us. We will definitely guide you, and you will definitely be a civil service judge, a journalist, a pilot, a air hostess. Anything you want, you can and you will. Thank you so much.